Hey there everyone, welcome to the How to 360 Kitchen. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of preparing a delicious whole turkey. So, let's get started, shall we? Alright, first things first, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. We have a whole turkey, butter, olive oil, aromatics, herbs, broth, salt, and pepper. Got everything? Great, let's move on. Now let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. First, we need to dry the bird thoroughly, inside and out. This helps the skin get nice and crispy. Next, season the turkey generously, both inside and out. Don't forget to apply butter under the skin for extra flavor and moisture. When it comes to roasting, keep an eye on the times and temperatures to ensure it cooks evenly. Finally, let the turkey rest before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite juicy and flavorful. There you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll have a perfect turkey every time. Now let's talk about cooking times and temperature targets. For best results, cook your turkey at a consistent temperature until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. As a general rule, plan for about 15 minutes per pound. This ensures that your turkey is both safe to eat and deliciously juicy. While your turkey is roasting, it's important to keep it moist and flavorful. Baste it periodically to enhance its flavor. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. If needed, tent the turkey with foil to prevent overbrowning. And when it's done, you should see a beautiful golden brown color. Here are some additional tips to make your turkey even better. If you want to save some cooking time, consider spatchcocking the turkey. Or for added flavor, you might try brining it overnight. These small steps can make a big difference in your final dish. And there you have it, a perfectly roasted turkey ready to be enjoyed. When slicing the turkey, make sure to carve against the grain for the most tender pieces. Don't forget to plate it beautifully for that wow factor. Cooking directions and ingredients are all listed in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more delicious recipes and tips. Happy cooking!